beautiful day in South Florida today.
Blustery.
Gale force winds.
Tarps blew off that yacht over there. It's just flapping in the wind. You saw it? Short
visibility. Still one brave soul looking like they're going in a boat. Out here at Juno Beach. Not a very beautiful day out. Go down here and I'll show you the water real quick. It is blowing. I don't even know if you can hear me right now. Waves are crashing. Wind is blowing about 35 miles an hour. Juno Beach. Not a good beach day. Not a good beach day. Oh boy. We're just sitting out here. It's not a beautiful day at all. We're under the pavilion out here by the road. But I just wanted to give you a shot of what it's like today down here in South Florida. Say hi to Angela. She's riding around with me today. But it's not really a great day for filming. I was going to come show you guys some waves today, but this is what we got. So give a thumbs up on the video, subscribe to my channel, and we'll try to bring you some more. Back in the condo now. Wow. All right, we'll see you guys next time.